fix Reddit login problem 2026. So to fix a Reddit mobile login problem, if you are an Android device, go to your settings, then go to apps, then find the Reddit app and go to its storage, then tap clear cache and then clear data. Now on your iOS device, what you have to do is go to your iOS device's settings, then scroll down and tap on general. Now tap on iPhone storage. Now find Reddit from the list, or you can simply tap on the search bar at the bottom and then search for Reddit. Now tap Upload app. Now to confirm, tap Upload app one more time. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button right here. Simply tap on it, or just go to your Apple App Store, find the Reddit app and then reinstall it from there. You can also scroll down the control center from the top of your screen and toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then off, or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to bypass potential IP or connection timeouts. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.